I'm Laurie Hutcheson, Executive Director of the Lobular Breast Cancer Alliance. I am so excited today to be telling you about two historic accomplishments LBCA has achieved this month. We've finally begun to meet one of our long-standing goals to fund ILC research directly. Earlier this month, LBCA funded an ILC research grant solicitation for an early investigator grant. The grant solicitation process was enabled by our collaboration with Conquer Cancer, the ASCO Foundation. And today I'm happy to announce the opening of a second solicitation of applications for, this time, a first ever 2-year ILC Research Fellowship Grant. This solicitation process is being administered through our new partnership with the American Association for Cancer Research, AACR. Thanks to our collaborations with Conquer Cancer and with AACR, and with the generous support of LBCA's donors, we have just taken one step closer to our vision of a world in which lobular breast cancer is found early, treated effectively, and eradicated permanently. Now I'd like to introduce Dr. Otto Metzger, clinician trialist with a special interest in invasive lobular carcinoma at Dana-Farber Cancer Institute. And Otto is also the chair of LBCA's Scientific Advisory Board. And he's going to tell you more about our newest grant solicitation with AACR.
Hi, everyone. I'm Otto Metzger. I'm a medical oncologist at the Dana-Farber Cancer Institute in Boston. As a researcher with special interest in invasive lobular carcinoma, I'm thrilled to be part of this historic moment as LBCA begins to fund lobular breast cancer research. As Laurie just mentioned, we previously announced our Young Investigation Grant solicitation. Now we're opening the solicitation of application for our new 2021 AACR Lobular Breast Cancer Alliance Invasive Lobular Carcinoma Research Fellowship. It's gratifying to see grants dedicated to ILC, which is the second most common histological subtype of breast cancer, but really understudied. Since LBCA was founded by patients about 3.5 years ago, we have strived to raise awareness about lobular carcinoma and to promote more research for this disease. Ultimately, LBCA believes that collaborations across labs, nationally and internationally, will make ILC research more feasible. This is a long-term goal of LBCA. Today is the first step on that path. Now, let me explain you more about the AACR LBCA Invasive Lobular Carcinoma Research Fellowship. This grant is a joint effort to support and encourage innovative research projects with direct relevance and able to advance knowledge of invasive lobular carcinoma. The award provides $120,000 over a 2-year period to support salary and benefits of investigators while conducting their research. These projects may be basic, translational, clinical, or epidemiological in nature. Those interested in the grant have until July 6, 2021 to submit a letter of intent. I'm hopeful that the research achieved with this fellowship, as well as with the Young Investigation Award, will help form the basis for important scientific questions related to ILC and impact the survival of patients diagnosed with this disease in the near future. I look forward to seeing the submissions in response to both solicitations and anticipate that they will stimulate new interest in studying ILC and it will inspire new scientists to pursue research with a focus on ILC. We're excited to see the depth and breadth of these applications and to meet successful recipients of our first grant later this year. Thank you so much, and for those applying for these grants, best of luck.